I eat this lettuce cucumber salad every day for lunch and dinner and lose 7 kilograms in a week. So if you want to lose weight, this video is for you. Keep watching till the end. We are going to start with lettuce. Here is lettuce. This one is Lolobionda. It's already washed and cut. Into the bowl, I will start with lettuce. Lolobionda, cucumber, sweet corn, carrot. If you are new here, you are welcome. To my old subscribers, you are welcome. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and leave your comments. Let me know what you think about this video. Tomato, white radish. I boil it for 10 minutes. Red kidney beans, onion, let's keep it aside and go for the sauce. Here we have olive oil, 50 ml, apple cider vinegar, 10 ml, 25 ml lemon juice, a pinch of salt, half teaspoon black pepper, 2 tablespoons mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons mustard, mix it well. Sauce is ready now. Make sure you mix it well. Mix everything. Our lettuce cucumber salad is ready. Thank you for watching. I will see you into the next video. Bye bye. Ciao.